and I've been going to a lot of Maker Fairs, and they're all different. That's the fascinating thing about them, is they're all different. Some of them are more very maker focused, some of them are more Maker Pro, or even slightly corporate focused. I think what I've seen so far here today is just that sense of speed and of distributed innovation, and also of a very multinational audience. That this is a place where the timescale is measured in days and weeks, not weeks and months or months and years. It's a sort of extreme version of that idea of not waiting for permission. The wonderful thing about the Shenzhen community is it's blind to where you are. It will help you, it will serve you, regardless of where you are in the world. And so I think there are some wonderful specific opportunities associated with the Maker movement in Shenzhen. We want to be helpful to everyone, and particularly to this community, right? Well, we've started making semiconductors. So we have the RP2040 microcontroller, and we have the RP1 chip. So Raspberry Pi 5 is the first Raspberry Pi to have first-party silicon on, to have our own silicon on board. So we're doing huge amounts of innovation.
It's a powerful way, and that's how we design products, right? We make the products we want. So it's slightly the community. It's slightly the community, but it's the community via us. Because we are community members, we're building the products we want, and because we're just like you. Obviously, Raspberry Pi 5 is an interesting platform. It's roughly 150 times faster than the Raspberry Pi 1 from 2012. And as I say, for the first time, we have 3 chips on it. We have 3 custom chips. I hope most of you are aware we announced Raspberry Pi 5 at the end of September. We are now manufacturing at scale and shipping them.
And to wrap it up, we have a gift for you. Not from me, it's from the community. Do you recognize?
Very cool, I do recognize this. Wow, there you go, look at this.
We want to make the computational underpinning, the substrate, that all of these individual makers, we want to provide that substrate for individual makers. We want to provide that substrate for makers who want to take their passion project and turn it into a business. We want to be of service. I think it's wonderful. I love to come here. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, well, no, keep going. We are in the slough of despond. We are apparently at the bottom of the hype curve. So look, we've gone through a tough time, but we're still here. We're still moving forward.